My name is Andreas Hitzig. I'm a member of the board at AISA Automation Industrielle SA, based in Vouvry, French part of Switzerland. We are a family-owned company now in our fourth generation, and we develop and produce packaging machines that produce tubes used for toothpaste, cosmetics, food, medical and other applications. When we started our Indian operation in 2004, we were looking for an ERP system that not only supports all the processes a machine manufacturer uses, but also to cover all the specific taxation, documentation or other aspects related to an Indian business. While searching such a tool, we came in contact with SourcePro. After a first conference call, we knew that they are people that understand manufacturing. They are familiar with the everyday challenges and their tool is made to support the whole process and provides the required information where and when it is needed. We went live for the financial year 2005-2006 with SourcePro ERP system called IMMS at that time. With IMMS, we had the tool that covered our whole manufacturing process, starting from design bills of materials, purchasing, stock inventory, order picking, to assembly work orders and dispatch and shipping. Years later we migrated to TNG, the next generation tool from SourcePro, and again many years later to New Horizon, the current version of SourcePro ERP system. Even when our business has changed considerably over the last 2 decades, SourcePro software has always been the reliable tool we had from day one on. Even more important are the people behind that tool in SourcePro. Not only we found them very knowledgeable before going live, they gave us excellent support all the time. They were there when we needed them, they found ways to help us when we were stuck, and they give us advice to improve. Many thanks to the whole team at SourcePro.